Hello, everybody. Thank you for responding to our outreach email. Thank you for hitting play on this video. This is a short presentation on Reddit optimization as it pertains to the process of AEO, Answer Engine Optimization, optimizing for AI search traffic. This is all about why Reddit optimization has become our flagship service and why our aggressive free offer through this marketing project is centered around Reddit. It's because it is the most powerful and most immediate optimization process to increase AI traffic that can possibly be run. First of all, my name is Mike Kim. I have been in the digital marketing world for about 17 years, the last 13 or so with a company called PosiRank. I'm from now the AEO Collective, which is an offshoot of PosiRank. We have been studying AEO since February of last year. And we've been beta testing services. Reddit optimization, like I said, has become our most powerful service. To touch briefly on the opportunity around AEO, if you're not yet aware, it's the biggest opportunity I've ever seen in the digital marketing world. We compare it to being able to run an SEO campaign back in 2002 when Google was brand new and before its top 10 results were totally set in stone. Number one, this is a wide open playing field. It's anybody can compete. You don't have to have deep marketing pockets. You don't have to have an existing website that's 15 years old with a DA60 rating or higher. Any company, any brand, whether it's D2C e-commerce, SaaS, local service providers, everybody can get AI traffic if they start promoting for it now. The opportunity exists around not only the traffic volume that's moving over to the AI search channels, but the fact that this is the most bottom funnel intent-driven organic traffic you can get in front of. AI traffic is converting at about a 3 to 5 times greater rate than Google organic. The other reason why this opportunity is so big is the optimizational timeframes are literally weeks as compared to months or years with traditional SEO. We can prove concept usually within about a 4-week run, as long as we're using Reddit as part of the strategy, which is why, again, this marketing project is revolving around Reddit. We want to prove to you how quickly this works and how powerful it is. So please watch on. Why is Reddit optimization so powerful? The AI engines trust Reddit. It's more so than any third-party platform because its anti-spam algorithms are so advanced. They go to great lengths to ensure user-based organic content. There's an estimated over 2,000 human moderators going through open threads and through existing subreddits, making sure that the content is natural and organic and not overly promotional. ChatGPT paid, I think, $60 million for the right to scrape Reddit content just this year. Google paid $50 million. It's the number one source of truth to the LLMs. So establishing a positive brand sentiment on the Reddit platform is the number one thing you can do from an off-page brand building perspective. A little bit about our process. And by the way, for those of you that want a more in-depth look into the step-by-step of this, please just reply to the email we sent or email me directly, Mike at AEO-collective.com. We'll send you a full report, a full slide deck that shows some sample completed work reports, some case studies, etc. But the process is we go in and we identify existing subreddits that are relevant to the type of traffic that you want to attract. Then we look and identify certain threads or open conversations that focus around specific prompts or queries that you want to rank for, that you want direct branded traffic from. And within those existing subreddits, we make comments based on your company, your service, your product line, whatever it might be, through naturalized content, conversational content, and not being overly promotional. We make comments within these threads. There's a whole criteria that goes into 2 things. Number one, identifying the threads. They can't be too old. They have to have certain amounts of comments to them. There's a whole formula that we trust. Secondly, we only use Reddit accounts that have hit a certain level of authority that allow us to do this because they're trusted and because we're not overly promotional in the content that we publish. Now, in the case where we're unable to identify qualifying open threads that would lead us to the traffic that we want, we'll create the thread. and we let it warm to the point where it attracts organic comments from other users until we go in and make our promotional comments. All of this is detailed again in that slide deck, so if you want it, let me know. Okay, as far as the specifics of our offer, I think it's detailed pretty well on this landing page. This is a real offer. There's no risk. There's no obligation of any kind. There's no initial investment other than a little bit of your time meeting with me. But we want to put our money where our mouths are. We want to prove how valuable this service is. We want to prove the tangible result it creates very quickly. So we're doing it for free. We're offering 3 Reddit comments that we'll publish over the course of a 30-day period maximum, usually faster than that. And then we'll show you the results from doing so. A couple of things here. Number one, you do have to book a consult with me. We want to go clearly through the process. Also, we want to ensure that your site is what we term a qualifying website. And qualifying simply means the on-site structure or the technical optimization of the site is such that we're confident you're going to see the value of this Reddit optimization. If it's not, we'll go through with you what needs to be done, changes that need to be made. We can even potentially help with those, but we'll give you the direction you need to get it to the point where we need it so that we can then run the Reddit optimization. Some of you may be asking yourselves why we're doing this or what the catch is. There isn't one. This is the way we're marketing ourselves. We want to prove concept to you first before asking you to invest any money with us. But say the optimization runs well and you're happy with the finished product and you're happy with the results. Obviously, we'd be happy to take you on as an ongoing paying AEO client. One thing I want to say about the way our services are designed, everything that we offer is broken down a la carte. All of our promotional strategies are broken down into individualized products. So we don't have to be 100% of your AEO efforts. If you're comfortable, willing and able internally to say produce content at our direction or to make technical optimization improvements, we can direct all of that. And then maybe you just use us for Reddit optimization and for custom schema. Others might need us to create that content or want us to be the full service. We can certainly do that. But we can customize the campaign to whatever budget you're comfortable committing to. There's no right or wrong to AEO budget, just as there was no right or wrong to traditional SEO. So during this call you'll have with me, it's very consultative. It's an in-depth look at your site. It's also a preview of what an ongoing campaign strategy might look like, what an adequate budget might be based on what you need from us, the level of competition you face for the traffic that you desire. It's a full-scale look at what an ongoing AEO effort would look like, and then it's putting together the free 3 comments. We just need to know the type of traffic you want, if there's geographical areas. My point is, this is not a hard sell call. It's a consultative and educational session. So for those interested, please look below for the schedule link that you can use to book the consultation. Keep in mind, you need to book the call before the due date in order to qualify for this offer. I hope you do. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.